Get ready to indulge in the luscious world of creamy treat. Stay tuned to see how we whip up a delicious creamy cheesecake. Begin by mixing together powdered sugar, butter, and Fanta for the crust biscuit base. Allow it to cool down a bit while we move on to preparing the filling. Next, for that vibrant red topping, gently simmer raspberries with sugar, then incorporate cornstarch, stirring until it's smooth. Now, on to the velvety white filling. Whip up some sweet cream. Combine it with cream cheese, and then fold in ground biscuits and walnuts. Once everything is perfectly blended, spread this luscious mixture over our cooled biscuit base. And to add that final touch of flavor and color, layer our exquisite red topping over the creamy white filling. If you enjoyed this creamy cheesecake recipe, be sure to subscribe for more delicious treats. Thanks for joining us on this mouth-watering journey. Until next time, happy baking!